This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Dream11 team editor. Once there, pick the contest and load your main Roman 11. Enable the backup slot immediately and decide how many backups you want. 0 through 4 are typical. Make sure to prioritize which roles need backups first, because Dream11 substitutes by order. You select backups from the same pool, choose players who cover multiple roles to reduce risk. This gets you past setup quickly, so you can move to detailed swaps and contingencies. Now, focus on how to pick backups effectively. You should choose backups who are likely to play and who can perform in multiple roles, because versatility matters during last-minute changes. Once done, balance your bench. Include 1 or 2 high-ceiling players and 1 or 2 steady scorers to hedge volatility. Make sure to check pitch and weather reports and monitor team announcements 30 to 60 minutes before kickoff. Those updates change probabilities and should trigger a final backup tweak. Finish by locking the team and verifying backups are saved in the correct priority order. You must do this before the contest deadline. If something goes wrong, backups not applied or wrong player substituted, check common issues, lineup constraints, insufficient credits, or an app sync error, then reopen editor, fix the issue, and resave. Finally, enable notifications and set minute-by-minute alerts so you can react to last-minute player outs or toss changes. And that will keep your backup plan working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.